game is over, and we're going to see if glitch works out. And we won the game, so it doesn't matter. I'm not sure if you have to win or not, but yes. Let's wait for the win, and then let's call it play with friends. Yeah, and bang! Look at that. 2K patched it. 2K patched them, still ranked 7. That is some BS. But if you want to do the regular legit and you always use word or not, it doesn't work, okay? So don't glitch. You have to rank up. You have to work now, because 2K patched. So it's been patched for about like 4 months. So.